Hello, beautiful people. I'm so excited. I finally finished those tips that I promised, those video tips, and I've put them in emails and they're ready to go. So if you want some tips, my best tips, the tips that work for me as a postmenopausal woman about how to rock, how to get the most out of your supported healthy keto diet when you know that you've got the hormones going on, you've got the sleep issues, you've got all the things, and sometimes things are just not working well. These are the best tips that I have found anywhere on how to just break through the plateaus and have success and get the results that you want. So if you are seeing this on Facebook, if you're seeing it on YouTube, drop me a comment or a message or an email or whatever it is that works for you. Or you could even visit ketowithhadas.com and that will put you in the line to get them as well. So I can't wait to send them to you. I really think they're going to make things better for you. So have a great day. Remember, I love you. Bye.